Just a reminder, we're bringing you scenes from earlier today from both inside the Constitutional Court and outside. That was the reaction from the Public Protector herself, Julius Malema. Let's hear from EFF leader Julius Malema.
We had two cases today, one in Pretoria, agent application brought against us by the Gupta family and their companies. They brought an agent application against the EFF that the EFF incited violence against them and their journalists and their workers. And in that case, the judges ruled against us and reserved judgment and said he would write the judgment and send it to us. And now we have made it very clear to the lawyers that they must immediately appeal that judgment, because we strongly believe that there is nothing we said in our statement which incited violence against the Guptas, their companies, and anyone who works for them. We strongly believe that the Guptas must be challenged. The Guptas must never feel like they are untouchable because of their proximity to power. And by admitting their association with President Zuma, they must know that they are going to be highly scrutinized. And therefore, any court that seeks to protect friends of politicians who are benefiting because of their proximity to politicians, that court will perpetuate a corruption. So we will wait the full judgment, and then we shall appeal that decision, because we think it is unconstitutional and it is also undermining the freedom of speech, which politicians and political parties have a right to exercise. The last case was this one at the Constitutional Court, where we think that we have done very well. We went into Parliament. One of the posters we had during the election campaign in 2014 was, "We will stop the Nkandla corruption." And people voted for us to go and stop the Nkandla corruption. And we are proud that we have successfully managed to stop the Nkandla corruption. When we fought this matter, many people said, this matter is tired, this matter is boring, can the EFF come up with something new? But because we knew that we've got the facts on our side, we never got demoralized, we continued to fight. When we approached the Constitutional Court, the DA was the first one to criticize us that will never be heard by the Constitutional Court. And many analysts and many legal experts said will never be heard by the Constitutional Court. We are here today, we were heard by the Constitutional Court, and we are happy that all parties today have conceded that President Zuma should pay back the money and that the remedial action of the Public Protector are binding. That's what we have been saying. We said to Parliament, you are wrong, you cannot review the Public Protector's work. Your role is to ensure that the President implements the remedial action of the Public Protector. Those of you who joined journalism today, please go on the records of Parliament and search what we said when we walked out of the ad hoc committee for the first time. They established the second ad hoc committee. We said we are not going back. It's a waste of time. The DA went back there and participated in that useless ad hoc committee. Today, everybody says all those reports are meaningless. Exactly what we said before the Constitutional Court, that it is wrong to participate in a process that seeks to reverse the work of the Public Protector, because by doing that, you are undermining the Constitution. We are happy everyone agrees here today. There is one point where some party, especially Gauntlet, who is overrated, said here that we cannot agree with the EFF that the President has violated the Constitution. The President violated the Constitution by not implementing the remedial actions of the Public Protector, which are binding constitutionally. He violated the Constitution. And there is no debate about that. They say today everything else about public protector. We accept her report. We are ready to implement it. It is public protector in the report where she says a code of ethics has been undermined by the president.